Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, we're going to look at how to upgrade your computer from Windows 11 version 24H2 to version 25H2, even if your system isn't officially supported. The best part? You won't need to reinstall Windows or use any third-party tools. This upgrade comes through what's known as an enabling package. It's a lightweight update that unlocks the new version, just like a regular Windows update. That means you can install it manually and upgrade your PC seamlessly. Let's get started. First, let's check what version we're currently running. I'll open the System About page, and as you can see, I'm using a 4th generation i7 laptop, which is technically unsupported for Windows 11. Scrolling down, the version shows Windows 11 24H2. Perfect. That's what we'll be upgrading from. Next, let's make sure the system is fully updated. Head over to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install everything that's available. If you see the option Get the latest updates as soon as they're available, go ahead and turn that on. This ensures your system is prepared for the upgrade, though it's not strictly required. Now for the main part, downloading the enabling package. You'll find the download link in the description of this video. I'll copy mine from Notepad and paste it into the browser's address bar. From Notepad, you'll notice there are 2 links, one for Intel and AMD systems, and another for ARM64 devices. Copy the one that matches your system, paste it into your browser, and press Enter. The download will begin automatically. You'll notice the file is quite small. That's because it's just the enabling package, not a full installation image. It comes in a format called .msu, which Windows Update recognizes and installs directly. Once the download completes, double-click the file to install it. Confirm that you want to proceed, and let it run. After a short while, you'll be prompted to restart your computer. Click Restart Now. When your PC boots back up, it's time to verify the upgrade. Head once again to the System About page, and there it is. Windows 11 version 25H2 successfully installed. The upgrade worked perfectly, even on this unsupported system. No reinstallation, no external tools required. Now, a quick note. This method only works if your PC is already running version 24H2. If you're still on 23H2 or an earlier version, this enabling package won't apply because 24H2 and 25H2 share the same core system. The update simply unlocks the newer features. And that's it. You've now upgraded to Windows 11 version 25H2 the easy way. Quick, clean, and completely offline. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more practical Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.